back to my channel. I am Shreya and today's video is gonna be a picture editing video. So there are really many ways in which you can edit your picture. So this is gonna be part 1 of this video. In today's video I'm gonna share how I create dark tone effect on my pictures. Now this effect is really trending nowadays and you have to just follow the steps which I'm gonna tell and you're gonna get that dark tone effect in your pictures. You can use the steps which I'm gonna tell you in this video, and whatever color your picture is, you're gonna get that effect at the end. So you just need to follow the steps. So let's start with the video.
So first of all, you need to download Lightroom app on your phone. Once you open Lightroom, it looks something like this. You can select the picture which you want to edit. After that, the first step is adjusting the light settings. So go to light settings, and for the contrast you need to increase it up to +21. So once that is done, let's come to highlights. Highlights you need to increase +17. Then comes shadow, increase it by +24. Then comes white, you have to decrease it -100, and blacks +60. Now you need to adjust the curve. So for the curve, as you can see, there are 4 options. So select the first one, which is the multicolored, which will appear white like this. So now you need to adjust it as I am doing there. You need to increase a little bit and take it a bit up so that you can have a faded effect on your pictures. So you just have to create this kind of curve. You can just see it and edit your pictures according to it. So I'm shortening the curve a little bit. Now you need to come to the blue curve. Red and green, you don't need to do anything. Directly come to the blue one. So mark your first point and decrease the curve, and then for the second curve you need to increase it. So curve is something which I couldn't explain like that. You just have to see it in the video and adjust it like that. After that, come to the another settings. You need to come to temperature. So for the temperature you need to increase it by +25. Then comes tint. You need to increase the tint by +10. Decrease the vibrance by -7. And also the saturation has to be decreased by -18. Now on the upper right corner you can see there's an option called mix. So you have to come to that, and here you can see a lot of options. So first is the red circle. So you need to decrease the hue by -11, then increase the saturation by +7. Then for the luminance you need to increase by +13. Then come to the orange circle, decrease the hue by -11, saturation by -9. Then come to yellow one. For yellow you need to decrease the hue by -100. For the saturation, decrease it by -85. And for the luminance, decrease it by -41. Then come to the green circle. Now for the green you need to decrease the hue by -100, saturation -100, and luminance -42. Now you need to come to the blue circle. For the blue circle you need to decrease the hue and you need to decrease it by -52. Then comes the saturation, -43, and for the luminance -22. Now come to the dark blue circle. For the dark blue circle also we have the same one. You need to decrease the hue by -68. Then comes saturation, and saturation is -30, and increase the luminance by +22. Then comes purple. For purple you don't need to do anything for the hue. Directly come to saturation and you need to decrease it and decrease it by -81. Then directly come to the pink circle. For the pink circle you need to decrease the saturation by -85. So our mix settings are all done. Now come to the next one, which is effects. In effects you need to increase the texture by +11, clarity by +13 or 15, you can choose as per your picture. Dehaze +11. Then there's an option on the upper right corner, as you can see, and it's known as split toning. So there are two color charts given, one is for highlights, one is for shadows. So you need to make changes to the first chart known as highlights. So there you have to move your cursor ahead, which will increase the hue by 150, and then move your cursor down so that the saturation decreases. You need to set it by 13. So the hue will be 150 and saturation by 13. Then at the end you can see balance. So decrease the balance by -34. And now that is done. Now you need to come to the next effect, which is details. For details you need to first adjust the sharpening. So increase the sharpening by +5. Noise reduction +10. And then you can see beneath contrast. So contrast you need to adjust to +20. Below that it's given color noise reduction, adjust it to 8. Then there's detail beneath the color noise reduction, so you need to adjust it and you need to increase it by +69. Below that smoothness, increase it by +81 or 82. And your dark tone effect is all done. So this is how I create dark tone effects on my pictures. So I hope you're gonna do this, and also if you're recreating it, you can use the hashtag self-portraits by Shreya.
So that was all about today's video, and I hope you guys would have loved it.